Hello, friend. Mormo here, your horror host who teaches you how to make money online. And today we're going to watch another video. I made it basically for myself. It's something that I wanted to learn, and it's about PLR. And I love making PLR and watching PLR and buying PLR and stuff. So I made another PLR video, and this one is about how to write a good sales page to sell PLR. And I got PLR for sale. Just let me know in the comments if you're interested. But let's watch the video
How
now.
to write a killer sales page to move PLR products. Once you've chosen a PLR product and you have the rights to start editing it and selling it, the next thing you need to do is to consider how you're going to promote it and convince people to part with their cash. There are many potential answers to this, but one of the most important things to consider is the sales page. The sales page is the page on which you'll be trying to convince visitors to part with their cash, and with the right design and phrasing, you can get people who were maybe on the fence to change their minds. Here are some tips to help you do that with the perfect sales script. Grab attention. The first thing to realize is that people are in a hurry most of the time. Chances are that they landed on your site by accident and probably want to leave quickly so they can get on with their daily activities. Your job is to convince them to stick around just a bit longer, and the best way to do that is to grab their attention with a strong opening. One of the best options here is to use a narrative structure. Make it a story because people naturally want to listen to stories through to the end, and because stories are great for inspiring emotion. Make it skimmable. People are intimidated by large blocks of text, and especially because, as we just saw, they tend to be in a hurry. It's your job then to make sure your content is easily skimmable with lots of headings and lots of nicely spaced out paragraphs. Focus on the value proposition. Most important of all is to ensure that you are focusing on the value proposition. This is the way in which your product can provide value, and this should involve some kind of tangible improvement to the customer's life. For example, maybe your product is going to make them more confident, help them to feel better in the morning when they wake up, and potentially have more success with the ladies/men. If you're reselling an ebook on fitness, then that is what you want to focus your text on, not the number of pages you're offering. Make them buy. Finally, make sure that your customers aren't going to leave to think on. Chances are that they're not going to come back. Instead, introduce a limited time offer or make up something about limited stock. Doing this will add time pressure, and that will make them want to act quickly.
Okay, so that was decent. It was talking about sales pages, and it was talking about a limited time offer. I did that on one of my PLR offerings. I was only selling 10 copies, and I sold 2 copies. I still got 8 copies left. But when you put like that limited time thing on, it makes people more anxious to buy and stuff. It was talking about some other stuff. I thought it was kind of dumb in the video. How it was saying they probably got there by accident. Why would anybody accidentally end up on your sales page? That's just stupid. So that wasn't my favorite video. I'm not having a great day today. But anyways, there'll be a link in the description if you want to look at what I got for sale. And thanks so much for watching.